Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you can cast sorceries. Make sure intelligence meets the minimum and a staff is equipped. This unlocks the item. Once ready, head straight to the Academy Ruins area, fast travel to the nearest site of grace or ride there. While you travel, keep 500 to 2,000 runes handy because you will likely buy or upgrade a catalyst. Bring at least 10 FP to test the spell after acquisition. Begin searching chests and vendors as soon as you arrive. You now focus on finding the actual Crystal Darts tome. Once inside the academy, systematically check East Wing chests and inspect walls for illusionary triggers. Many spells hide behind secrets. Make sure to speak with any present sorcerer vendors or wandering NPCs because they often sell the spell for around 1-200 runes. After obtaining the tome, rest at a site of grace to attune it into your FP slots. Once attuned, make sure your staff is upgraded enough for good spell scaling before testing. You finish by using and optimizing Crystal Darts. First, test it on low-health enemies to learn FP cost, projectile speed, and stagger potential. This informs how to weave casts into combat. Next, upgrade your staff and invest more intelligence to raise damage. Small increments yield noticeable returns. If the spell doesn't work, make sure it's attuned, you have enough FP, and the equipped staff can cast sorceries. If issues persist, relog or revisit the vendor. Sometimes inventory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.